I'm going to show you a powerful set of tools to do multidimensional analysis, tools that are accessible through the Python API. Coral reefs are home to 25% of marine species, making them one of the most important ecosystems on the planet. Unfortunately, reefs worldwide they face many risks, including global climate change. Warmer ocean temperatures can cause bleaching. I want to predict the risk of coral bleaching using powerful time series forecasting capabilities. I'll use the sea surface temperature dataset from the Living Atlas, which contains more than 4,000 daily slices of imagery. The data is rather dense for my analysis, so we can aggregate the data, which condenses our daily data cube into weekly slices of imagery. To predict future sea surface temperatures, first we need to create a time series model using the generate trend function. In this trend raster, the trend is estimated at each location. The purple areas show trends of increasing temperatures. This model is then used to predict future sea surface temperatures. The left, we see our predicted data, and the right is a validation comparing our prediction to the observed data. If coral is exposed to anomalous temperatures for shorter periods of time, it is known to recover from the period of stress. So we can use the generate anomaly function to find anomalous temperatures. And then we can find where those anomalous temperatures are predicted to occur for extended periods of time. Now we've got the predicted risk of bleaching, and using NOAA's 5 key alert levels, we can map it both globally on the left and focused in on key station points along reefs on the right.